Today, I'm going to show you guys how to actually clean up your audio to get rid of an echo. Yes, to get rid of an echo, be it from accidentally using two mics, either you or the actual person that recorded it that you're editing for. You use two mics and there's an echo. Okay, so in DaVinci Resolve, there are a couple ways to fix this, okay? Now, some of the methods are for studio, but a lot of them are included in free as well. I will warn you up front, though, if you stack the methods upon each other, you'll technically get better results. So you can still do something in the free version, but the studio version will be infinitely better at fixing this issue. First, let's start with the actual audio track. I have it muted personally just so it doesn't actually talk over me, okay? So what we will want to do first, or rather what I do, okay, technically speaking, you do not have to use AI voice isolation on the whole thing or on 100%. You can just click here and enable what you need enabled. Now, if you don't have access to voice isolation or don't want to use voice isolation at all, that is fine. Okay, because what you will want to do then is go down here to equalizer, okay? Yes, equalizer will help you get rid of an echo. So we equalize this, and then of course we click on here, and then try this, okay? Yeah, try this. You can play around to see how deep you want to go, but usually I find just the first level down is usually good enough, but that alone might not be enough to get rid of the echo. You know, you can also play around a little bit with it, but the equalizer is going to be the more free-esque friendly type way. Now, finally, what you will want to do, like if you're a bit of a perfectionist and whatnot, is come over here to audio effects, okay? It's under your effects. So you're going to click on effects and go down to audio effects and find something called a dialogue processor. Put it on, but here's the catch, okay? You're going to turn off most of these. Derumbler, depop, DS, compressor. You don't need any of those. Expander is what you need, okay? And of course, you will want to click up here and note if it's a male or female voice, okay? Because that will change its effectiveness. Now, for me, it was a male voice because it was my own video. So I would do that. Then I would turn them all off again. To fix that, you could just pick before you turn them off. And then you just play around with the like range, threshold, and whatnot. And then that is how you go about it. It should sound better. It might not sound perfect, but it should sound better. And again, you can also go back in and play around with the equalizer a bit more until you find what you need. Maybe play around with pitch on versus off just so you can maybe get rid of that extra echo. Or, if you can't re-record. If you can re-record, then maybe, but for the most part, this should help you out well enough. Also, there's a little bit of a cheat you can do. The lower you lower the thing, the less the echo appears noticeable technically. So you could play around with that as well. Hopefully this helped you.